We very much have set up this partnership with the idea of connecting Erasmus Plus initiatives with those that are going on at European level, at local level and at national level. And that's really where the Youth at Work consultative groups come into it.
There's been so much generosity in colleagues sharing their experiences and their good practices and how they've overcome some of their challenges.
I spoke about the Eurovibe and especially about a tool that has been developed during this project. It's a portfolio. It's about the competencies that are acquired by volunteering people during volunteering experiences and how to try as much as possible to bring them closer to get jobs. And we are also working with companies to make their process evolve. So it's kind of a capacity to work with both sides. Every year we have 370,000 beneficiaries, and the added value of our project was the way we have been able to work with companies. So I think this is maybe the part that will be helpful for most of the people that have been participating.
In the work that I do, I think that we give students a safe space to test their skills, to develop their confidence, to be innovative, to be enterprising, to be entrepreneurial, and to identify opportunities that they previously hadn't thought was open to them, whether that is for new venture creation or to consider going to work for an organisation in a sector they hadn't previously thought was open to them. The thing that I would like people to take away from the workshop is to not to be afraid of the pace of change and to find your place in that future, which is not always technology. Sometimes throwing technology at a problem is not the answer.
I was presenting a national initiative that we have developed in Spain. It is the action plan for youth employment to improve the employability. Young people, they need answers and they need some kind of solutions to improve their skills and the way they can be more employable. So the collaboration of the public and the private actors is very important so that they see that they have opportunities. Coming from public employment service, we are very much committed to the employers. We also have a role facilitating a framework where they can offer dignity in job, and that's also our responsibility.
We work to support refugees in the implementation of their business plan to run their business in Europe. And then we provided a compendium of good practices related to entrepreneurship among refugees and migrants. We, in fact, used active pedagogy and Energizer as a full process to accompany the team building. We experimented several serious games to make people aware about non-verbal communication and then to discover that they could be part of a community. Even if it's more pedagogic purpose, we showed how to use such things to increase the activity of the refugees. We also intend to offer the same services once the project has ended to other refugees, thanks to a crowdfunding campaign.
My workshop was aimed to show people why we work with young people with hidden disabilities such as autism and ADHD, giving them all the employability skills that they need to be able to become employable. Whilst working with young people, we work with employers. So it's not employability skills just for a young person, it's employability skills and entrepreneur skills for the employer as well. What we showed was the employability passport that we have embedded throughout. So the employer understands this young person's need throughout the young person's journey. And what we wanted to do was learn from other countries and share that with our young people, but even more so we want our young people to go out there and see the world and see what's out there and what's available for them.
DL project works on competencies in order to prepare future leaders. Our motto is, if you don't have a job, don't wait, create your own. So in my workshop, we were summarizing different ideas that can expand DL project and bring more value to young people, vulnerable groups, but to society in general. So at the end, to be honest, I take more from participants. I feel richer after the conversation we had and the discussion, which brings the sense of a family who really believe in what they are doing. It's utopia for some people, but for some others, it's a real world.
There's already amazing practice out there, but events like the event we're here at, it's a great opportunity to be capturing practice, just bringing it together so that other professionals are hearing about it. One of the things we're trying to achieve with these events is to say, look at this practice, but don't limit it to being inside that box. Look at how could this fit in your organisation? How could this fit in your community?